In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off invoice reminders on Xero. Managing your business finances includes keeping a tight rein on your invoices, and sometimes you might find yourself needing to pause those automatic reminders to clients. If that's the case, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide on navigating Xero to accomplish just that. First up, you're going to want to head over to Xero, launch your preferred web browser, and type in the Xero URL, or simply search for Xero on your favorite search engine. Once the page loads, you'll indeed spot that login button. It's usually located towards the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. That's your email and password associated with your Xero account. Take a moment to ensure you're entering the details correctly to prevent any unnecessary login issues. Once you've filled in your email and password, it's time to hit that login button to access your dashboard. If everything's entered correctly, you should be smoothly directed to your main Xero dashboard. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Look for the Business tab. You should find it fairly easily on your dashboard. Clicking on Business will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From those options, you want to select Invoices. It's your gateway to managing every aspect of your invoicing process. Upon clicking on Invoices, let's direct our attention toward the notification bell. This bell is usually located somewhere around the top of your screen, but its exact position can vary slightly depending on any updates or changes Xero might have implemented. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Following the notification bell, our next step involves clicking on Settings. You're nearing the core of where we can adjust our invoice reminders. The Settings option should be visible within or around the same area where you found the notification bell. As you've accessed Settings, your mission is almost accomplished. Here you'll find the option to turn off invoice reminders. It might involve toggling a switch or clicking through a menu to find the specific option to disable the reminders. Take your time to ensure you're adjusting the correct setting. After you've successfully turned off the invoice reminders, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save button, or similar, to ensure that your preferences are updated. Not saving at this stage would mean all changes are lost, and we wouldn't want that. Following the save, click Close to exit out of the settings menu and return to your previous screen. It's always a good practice to verify that changes have been made according to your preference. Finally, take a moment to check the invoice reminder status. You should be able to go to a relevant section where it clearly indicates whether the reminders are on or off. Make sure it expressly states that the invoice reminders are off. A couple of tips to remember. Navigating Xero is generally straightforward, but the interface can change over time as new features and updates are rolled out. If at any step you find that the layout looks a bit different, don't hesitate to use the search function within Xero or reach out to their support for guidance. Additionally, turning off invoice reminders is a significant change. Ensure to communicate with your team or relevant parties about this adjustment to keep everyone aligned on your business's invoicing practices. And there you have it. A simple, easy to follow guide on turning off invoice reminders on Xero. Whether it's part of adjusting how you manage client communications or just a temporary measure, knowing how to make these changes empowers you to tailor the platform to your business needs. Stay organized, stay efficient, and as always, should you have any questions or require further assistance, don't shy away from exploring Xero's comprehensive help resources or reaching out to their support team for personalized guidance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back in for more helpful guides and tips for managing your business with ease.